Hello everyone, today my topic is select command. Select command is used to retrieve information from the database table. So by using select command we can bring the information or retrieve the information from the database table. So or we can, by using select command we can view the information whatever the values has been inserted in the table. So select star means all columns. So while writing star, it will display all the columns like teacher name, teacher id, department number and subject, and from which table you want to view the information. So I want to view the information from teacher table, so I have to write the table name, which is teacher. So consider the following table in the school database for all the queries to follow. So over here, first of all, to make a database we have to create a table. So over here I have over here there is a department table which I have been created. So there are 4 columns in the department table, and they have different data types like varchar and integer. So over here the head department is the foreign key. So foreign key head department references department id. It means that this head department is referring to the department id. So this is the department id is the primary key and head department is the foreign key. So we can also make a foreign key in the same table. So this column is referring to the department id. So this is the foreign key of this is the foreign key of department id, and I have created another table which is teacher name. So here there are 4 columns: teacher name, teacher id, department number and subject, and they have different data types like varchar and integer. So over here teacher id is the primary key and department number is the foreign key of this department table. So department number is referring to another table, and this head department is referring to the same table of department id. So I hope you understand. So after creating a table, I have insert the values by using insert statement or insert command. So insert into department values. So I have inserted all the values in the department table. So you can see the picture of how I have inserted the values in the department table. And over here there is another table which is teacher, so I have inserted all the values in teacher table also. So now query to select the names of all teacher which teacher id is greater than 102. So I have written, so select teacher name. So I have not written star. If I've written a star in this command, then all the columns will be displayed, but in the question only teacher name should be displayed. Select the names of all teachers. So it means that only teacher name should be displayed. So select teacher from which table. So I'm commanding that I want the information from the teacher table where teacher id is greater than 102. So where means up to be, it identifies a particular tuples from the table. So teacher id is greater than 102. So over here teacher id is greater than 102. So teacher id is greater than 102. So from here it will display all the information. So 103, 102 is greater than 103. Similarly, 102 is greater than 104. So it will display Survi, Mega, Tarunam, Tarun, Paras, Namit, Neha and Divya will be displayed in the table. So I hope you understand it.